In this video, I will show you how to export clean videos from Gling AI. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Once you have completed editing your video in Gling AI, exporting your video is quick and easy. In the top right corner, select Export. You'll have a few options. You can either download the video that Gling AI has completed editing. Simply select Video and then Settings next to it. You can then choose the average video bitrate, frames per second, and sample rate. Once you have selected that, you can then export MP4, or you could export the video to edit in another platform, such as Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut. Simply select it and then export it. Within a few seconds, you'll have a polished version of your footage ready to publish or continue editing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.